Hello guys, it's Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity, and today I am sharing 6x8 snap album using What's Cooking collection by Simple Stories. I'm here showing you the cover page. I added 3 of the little decorative brads on the side. The chipboard cover is embellished with the chipboard pieces and floral pattern paper. Inside the album you can see that I added a lot of interactive pages. Some 2x2 little photo mats. You can add journaling or photos. That just depends on how you want to design or embellish your album. Here I'm showing you how I added the tags, and I created another interactive page with the card stack that comes in the 12x12 collection pack. And as you flip through here, you can see that I added a lot of the Color Vibe letters, stickers, and also some of the ribbons and the card stack stickers throughout the album, and also added pockets for you to add those recipes that you are going to be putting in there. Some flip up pages here with some chiffon ribbon and just more mats for you to add photos, embellishments, or whatever this album is created for. Here I created a little shaker pocket with a 6x4 4x6 paper pocket, and I added one of the 4x6 paper mats from the cut apart elements. And throughout the album you can see that there is pieces for recipes, and that is a packet right there, so you can add more little recipes or whatever you need to add. Here I'm showing you that I put the turkey in the oven. So cute. And more of the recipe cards. I am loving how much texture this album has, because a lot of the pages are flip ups, which makes it interactive, and also you can add ribbon or stickers outside the pockets. Some of those ribbon sticker embellishments, they can be layered to create titles, and that's exactly what I did here. This is another interactive page, as you can see, and this page has quite a few embellishments, like the little tickets that say pie and so on. Alright guys, take care. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know which one was your favorite page in the album.